When you're building up a connected home, the smart bathroom is sometimes left behind. And today we're here to give you a few tips to help you correct that situation. When you have a large family, especially one with multiple young children constantly seeking your attention, the toilet is frequently your only shelter when you need some time to yourself. In this video, we will talk about some smart bathroom ideas you must have in your bathrooms. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Voice control in the bathroom. One of the many advantages of this feature is that you won't require any additional hardware to use your virtual butler in the smart bathroom. You'll be able to use an Echo device to adjust your smart lighting or take advantage of voice control to avoid getting your phone wet while looking for music as you soak in the tub. Both of these features will be available to you soon. Suppose you're seeking an experience that requires less interaction on your part. In that case, you may use Alexa to take control of these devices by issuing straightforward voice controls. By issuing straightforward voice requests, having wet hands in the bathroom brings virtual digital assistants to the forefront, and it won't be long until their functionality is enhanced even further. Although virtual digital assistants provide a layer of convenience across your entire smart home, they come into their own in the bathroom. Smart showers. Suppose you're sick of wasting time in the shower only to have the water go from blistering hot to bone-chilling cold in just a few seconds. In that case, you should seriously consider investing in a digital shower. Imagine instead of relying on that old-fashioned dial, there was a set of LED lights that constantly glowed a bright red to show you where to set the temperature. Suppose you believe it sounds like technology only for the sake of technology. In that case, you could consider some more practical use for it. Suppose the water temperature is not adjusted correctly in the shower where your children are being washed. In that case, it can be dangerous rather than just somewhat inconvenient. The most efficient smart batteries include digital valves, and their LEDs flash in red, white, and blue to indicate the temperature of the water as it heats up, stabilizes, and cools down. These colors correspond to the stages of the shower's temperature control. In addition to bringing a welcome dose of amusement to the time you spend in the shower with your children, this accessory is also an outstanding addition to the level of protection it provides. If you're fed up with your husband's off-key singing while you're in the shower, you can get posh rain shower heads with built-in Bluetooth speakers. Give him something nice for Christmas and treat yourself to some decent music instead of listening to those stifled warblings being played over the sound of flowing water. The speaker can be connected wirelessly to a smartphone, and it will even allow you to answer calls. Although you shouldn't do that if you're trying to get some peace and quiet in there. Soaking tubs. A refreshing shower has its place, but what about when you just want to relax in the tub for a while? Bath time may be elevated to a new level of indulgence with the installation of a soaking tub. You may start with a whirlpool tub to bring the spa experience into your home. Turn on some relaxing music from your smart speaker, light some scented candles, and take some deep breaths before getting back into those bubbles. Air baths are a novel take on the traditional jacuzzi that incorporates tubes of air pumping in to simulate the sensation of taking a shower in a natural hot spring. Standalone soaking tubs look beautiful and avoid the clutter of the shower head and coiled tubing, which can damage the minimalist aesthetic of a bathroom. If your bathroom has enough space, you should consider installing one. In addition to using cutting-edge technology, smart bathroom design may also emphasize maintaining a clutter-free environment. Smart faucets. Using temperature gauges and efficiency sensors by smart faucets makes it possible for you to regulate the amount of water used in your bathroom and preheat or pre-cool the water according to your preferences before turning on the faucet. This results in a decreased amount of water being wasted and increased efficiency and cost savings. When you use the hands-free option to wash your hands, you will reduce the number of germs that are spread and save time. Even though smart faucets may not have as many high-tech features as other types of smart bathroom devices, they are a more cost-effective way to cut down on water and financial waste. At sellers of home furnishings such as Delta Faucet, iTouchless, and Home Depot, customers can choose from a wide variety of smart faucets at a range of pricing points from $40 to $2,000. Smart mirrors. An interactive LED mirror, often known as a smart mirror, features an integrated display that may provide information such as the time, traffic reports, weather forecasts, news updates, appointment reminders, and more. You may interact with other smart home gadgets in your home by asking queries to your smart mirror. If you were curious about how to bake a cake while brushing your teeth, you now have the information you need. Your bathroom will have a more contemporary appearance, and your morning routines will become more fun if you install an interactive LED mirror. Many consumer electronics and furniture brands sell interactive mirrors, such as iHome, BathNaut, and Hi Mirror. The price of an interactive mirror can range anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000, depending on its size and capabilities. A smart mirror is essential if you want to streamline your morning procedures and plan your day while you're in the bathroom. Whether you want tailored assistance with your skincare and cosmetics routines, or you want to streamline your daily routines, a smart mirror can help. Smart Thermostat. You may reduce the amount of money you spend on utility costs by installing a smart thermostat in your bathroom. These thermostats allow you to regulate the temperature from a remote location. This clever piece of technology recognizes when you are in the house and learns your temperature preferences over time. Using this information, it may adjust the heating and cooling to achieve the highest possible efficiency in terms of energy use. You can save between 10 and 12% on heating expenditures with a smart thermostat and up to 15% on cooling costs. Depending on the brand, a smart thermostat can cost anywhere from $100 to $300. Popular brands in this space include Nest, Wise, and Myza. Before installing your smart thermostat, check to see if your property has a high voltage meter and a dedicated wire labeled C. Doing so will ensure that your smart thermostat can function as intended. Radiant floor heating. Floor heating systems, also known as radiant floor heating, use thermal radiation to produce heat to keep your feet toasty warm throughout the year's colder months. You will feel the heat from radiant floor heating sooner than you would from a conventional radiator, and at a temperature that can be more precisely controlled. In addition, the temperature will be increased to a more agreeable level, and you will be able to sense this improvement throughout the bathroom. Because it only uses a small amount of electricity and maintains a low temperature, radiant floor heating is a more energy-efficient method of heating a bathroom than a conventional heating system, which will significantly reduce your energy bills. If you replace a traditional radiator with one of them, you will also gain space on the wall. A radiant floor heating system can be purchased for between $10 and $12 per square foot from a retailer specializing in floor heating systems, such as Warmly Yours or Warm Up. Capstone Smart Mirror. When the touchscreen behind the mirror lights up, you understand its tech functionality. The mirror's touch display can show a YouTube video, movie, or health metrics. You can also listen to music or podcasts while showering. ThinCast mirrors smartphone screens. This lets you reflect your phone screen on the mirror. It's Android and iOS compatible. It supports Bluetooth speakers and headphones. Bluetooth remote control add-ons are available. This enables touchless mirror functioning. MyAir hand dryer. A little automatic hand dryer designed for a refined lifestyle and appropriate for your bathroom and kitchen. MyAir offers an entirely different hand drying experience at home compared to public hand dryers. It provides super hygienic air due to its revolutionary air duct design and washable high-density filter. MyAir is a must-have for those who want to save money while also helping the environment. Say goodbye to endless paper towel purchases. It's the best friend you can have for your money and the environment simultaneously. Samsung Air Dresser. The Samsung Air Dresser reduces trips to the dry cleaner by drying and deodorizing clothes. We wanted to try Samsung's Air Dresser since caring for and cleaning costly apparel is tough, and pressing daily items may be a pain. Air Dresser promises to keep garments looking fresh and revived without cleaning, which means fewer trips to the dry cleaners, less washing and ironing, and longer-lasting delicate products. It doesn't remove stains or clean garments. Freshen is a better term for what it does. The hairdresser is an investment both in money and space, the size of a tall, narrow closet, so you'll need a dedicated location if you're remodeling a walk-in closet bedroom, or laundry room. You won't need a new water line, only a socket. It is expected in the years to come, smart bathrooms will become increasingly common. The majority of recently constructed homes currently include smart bathroom equipment that is connected to voice assistants. What did you think of this video? Let me know your favorite part of the video in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more home automation videos, subscribe and leave a comment saying I subscribed. I'll personally reply to your comment. See you next time. Thanks for watching.